Hello all, sorry I'm not with you today. I think you'll see that on another video, but I just want you to have a think. This is the start of this PD. I want you to have a think about how you could use a document camera in your classroom, and I want to show you how easy it is. But I'd like 3 people, after I've explained how to use it, to do the following things. So I'd like you please, so think about who's going to do which, is how you can demonstrate to students to measure an angle using protractor. Explain and show visually the number configuration on a dice. A class assignment. I know that sounds really boring, but I did this with my year 8s. I was in the computer room and they paid so much attention to the assignment because I'd explained it on video. They made so many notes on the assignment. I was absolutely amazed. I've never seen students go through the assignment as well as they did when they watched the video. It has to be about you. It's all about the relationship. It doesn't matter about the quality of the video. They would rather watch a video of you, believe it or not. Even if your face isn't here, I don't recommend always having this because this is a bit off-putting. But it's much better than having Khan Academy or any of the other maths websites. It's much better. It's a rough version. And most of my videos, in fact, if not all of my videos, are one take. And the last one, we're going to show you how to use the Smart View, the TI Smart View for the 30xB, and show how you can explain to students this. The idea of these videos is then that students, yes, will see them in your class, but they can then access them at any time they want. So that's why if we're going to go to these bring your own device, or even at home, students can access any time. How many times do we explain how to use protractor when really we only need to show them once and then they can look on the video? That's what they do for other things. You know, my son's just started to learn the bass guitar. What did he do? I don't know how to do it. He went on YouTube and within half an hour he's playing all these different songs because he just learned off videos. We need to access this with our students. So, thank you. Think about what you're going to do and good luck.